Thanks fam! In today's video I will be showing you how to make your own jelly polish using pigment and top coat, as well as a very cute Fendi inspired nail design. So here I'm starting off with some pigment that I got from Amazon, and it came in a container, like a case with a whole bunch of pigments in it. So I'm picking out this hot pink color, and I'm gonna apply some into this lid of the actual container that they came in. And you only need a little bit, because a little goes a very long way, trust me. And I'm gonna take some of this, what is this, some clear top coat that I got in one of my poly gel kits from Amazon, and I'm gonna use that as, you know, my top coat. I'm gonna apply some to the container, and I'm gonna mix them together with this brush that I got from Amazon that has a dotting tool on the other end. So I'm gonna mix it till I get my, till I get it to the liking that I want. And here I'm just gonna apply it to the nail. And baby, who said that you gotta go out and go buy some jelly polish? Who said that? Because I ain't got no jelly polish, and I just made some jelly polish with some pigments. Come on now. I ain't have to go spend my money on nothing. I already had some products. So look at that. We're gonna apply a very thin layer to each nail, and make sure you don't press too hard, because then you'll have like brush strokes and it'll be like ugly. And again, we ain't going for no ugly nails on this channel, baby. No, we not. We going for cute. So I'm gonna apply 2 coats to each nail, and right here what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna see if it's, to my liking, and I love it. So I'm gonna top coat it. Well, top coat all 5 nails, and then I'm gonna cure them in my lamp, and I'm gonna do a full cure on them for 60 seconds. Now right here, I still ain't got no gel polish, so I'm improvising. I'm gonna use what I got already. So this is some 50-cent paint, some apple barrel paint I got from Walmart in the color pink polish, and look at this, matte acrylic paint. I'm also using this small detailer brush that I got from Amazon, and I did some of the design already to, see if that's how I wanted to do it. So look, I'm getting better with the camera. Y'all gotta give it to me. I told y'all I'm working on it, and that's what I did. I ain't know a lot, but I'm getting there. Practice makes perfect. So here I'm just drawing capital F's. I'm gonna do them like regular and then upside down, flip the opposite way. So I'm gonna do that all throughout the nail, all the way to the tip, and then I'm gonna come back in and thicken them. See here, I'm just going in and I'm thickening it, to the best of your liking, to the best of what you can do, because we ain't perfect. And then for this nail here, I'm going to draw the word Fendi in all capital letters from the very top of the nail all the way down to the tip. And what I need to do is stop drinking coffee while I'm trying to do designs, because man, I be shaking like a stripper. I be shaking like a wet dog. Like, it be so hard. It still came out cute, but it be so hard. But I be needing something to keep me like amped up. So yeah. And could you believe I did these nails in literally like 32 minutes? And before you top coat any of these nails, you want to make sure that this acrylic paint is completely dry. So give it about 2 minutes before you do put a top coat on. And on this nail here, I am just going in and, drawing this upside down F and the regular capital F. I don't know what you call it, upsy dowsy, and that's what I'm gonna call it, upsy dowsy. And I'm gonna thicken it to my liking. And I'm gonna set that to the side and let that dry because I'm not done with this nail yet. And then on this nail here, Fendi has like this logo, this design where it's like a face, where you got like a mean unibrow thing kind of going on. So it's like a chevron pattern. So I did that. And then here I'm gonna make the eye. So dot, dot, come on, dot. There we go. So we're gonna do kind of like a triangle. I forgot what kind of triangle this is. Baby, I graduated high school 10 years ago. I forgot. And then we're gonna fill it in. So if you own anything that's designer, let me know in the comment section below. What do you own? I own a few purses, but I own some red bottoms, and I don't really want. I mean, that's besides the point. Let's get back to the design. Let's get back to this tutorial. So I'm going in with some isopropyl alcohol, and I'm just removing the mistakes that I made. I wanted it thinner, not so thick. So right here I'm going in and I'm thickening the lines to make them more crisp, and I'm going to fill it in. Same thing with the eyes. So see, I'm going back in and I'm just, I'm trying to get it right. And then here I have some alcohol on the tip of my brush, and I'm creating like the eyeballs, I guess you could say. This would be mad cute if like I put another color on top of this, like on top of this pink. Well, if I did it white and I put like another, well, that's besides the point, whatever. So I'm just, what you do to one side, you're gonna do to the other side. And I'm just making his eyes. Look at that, he cute, or she cute, whoever it is. And then here I'm gonna create 4 of those upsy dowsy elves here, and I'm gonna do this on the nail bed area. And I'm gonna thicken them and tweak it as I go. So if you haven't subscribed to the Banks fam by now, I would love it to have you as one of our family members. All you gotta do is hit that subscribe button down below and press that bell. That way you'll be notified every time I upload. So you got, some cute, trendy, designs. And then here, because I said we weren't done with that nail, so I'm coming back because the paint is dry now. And I'm gonna go on top of it with some base gel. And I'm going to apply some Swarovski crystals. I believe these are in the size 4 and a 5. And look, don't judge my little katana thingy. Don't judge it because it got foil in it. Look, I'm making it do what I got, okay? Don't judge me, don't come for me, but this is what I do. So I'm applying some crystals along the F, and then I'm using the other side to align them correctly, because you can't have like no slanted F. That ain't gonna look right. That's gonna be ugly. And so I'm gonna do that to the other side as well. But here I noticed that this part is a little too thick, so I'm gonna go in with some alcohol and I'm gonna clean up. You see right there where it's like the crystals aren't covering it all the way. So I'm gonna go in with some alcohol and I'm going to erase my little mistake. And then I'm going to cure it in the lamp for a full 60 seconds. And then I'm going to come in and do the other side off camera. So here, I'm going to take that same base gel and I'm going to draw just a straight horizontal line across the top as well as the bottom, right on top of the elves and then right below the elves. And I'm going to apply those same crystals, to it to make it cute, because I want a little bling, I'm gonna cure it. I'm gonna do a full cure in the lamp for 60 seconds. And then here on the pinky nail, I wanted to add some cuticle crystals. So I applied some base gel along the top, and then I'm gonna take those same crystals and, you know, I'm gonna just bling out my cuticle area, because why not? And voila, look at these. I also top coated them off camera and did a full cure, and then bam, look at how these nails came out. They so cute. So that is the finished look. If you like today's video, make sure you give this video a like, share it with all your friends, comment down below, and make sure you're subscribed. Until next time, bye.